Hello again, it's Joey John Maguire, the English poet, coming out of my home in Grava, the Western Isles. Short poem for you here. I'm playing catch up because I've been missing from YouTube for a few weeks. So I'm going to crack on. It's only a short poem. It's called Love, Freedom, Nature, Life, Death. It's only when you've found it that suppressed intimacy shows how intense it really is. The ability to roam at will, to go and do as you please without chains, the essence of humanity's existence. To observe both bird and bee on the wing, flowers with their scents and hues doing their thing. To live as was intended, with boundless joy in your heart, despite all adversaries. Be deemed worthwhile, judged, and yet respected until the end and after, is all that one can ask for when death comes. Joey John Maguire.